The next one, if a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 by a raised to n plus b raised to n is the arithmetic mean between a and b, find the value of n. So before going to the question, if there are two values a and b, arithmetic mean of a and b is said to be the value a plus b by 2. That means take the sum of two numbers divided with the 2. So if, for example, if I want to find the arithmetic mean of 10 and 15, what should I do is add 10 and 15 divided with the 2. So the value will be 25 by 2. Okay. So in the question it is given this value a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 by a raised to n plus b raised to n is given as the arithmetic mean between a and b. So I am writing the given value a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 by a raised to n plus b raised to n is the arithmetic mean between a and b. Arithmetic mean between a and b can be written as a plus b by 2. Just simplify this equation, we will get the answer. So cross multiplying, what we get is 2 into a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 is equal to a plus b into a raised to n plus b raised to n. Just open the bracket. So 2 into a raised to n plus 1 plus 2 into b raised to n plus 1 is equal to a into a raised to n, which gives you a raised to n plus 1. Again a into b raised to n, which is a into b raised to n itself, plus b into a raised to n, which is b into a raised to n itself, plus b into b raised to n. We have to add the power. B is actually b raised to 1. So 1 plus n, which gives you b raised to n plus 1. Okay, take this term to the left side. Why? Because there is a like term here. Similarly, take b raised to n plus 1 also to the left side because the like terms are there. So 2a raised to n plus 1 minus a raised to n plus 1. This term is positive here. When taken to the left side, it will become negative. Plus 2b raised to n plus 1. Similarly, b raised to n plus 1 becomes negative. Minus b raised to n plus 1 is equal to the balance term is these two. So a into b raised to n plus b into a raised to n. What is 2a raised to n plus 1 minus 1a raised to n plus 1? It is a raised to n plus 1. 1a raised to n plus 1 same as a raised to n plus 1. Similarly, 2b raised to n plus 1 minus b raised to n plus 1 is 1b raised to n plus 1, which is b raised to n plus 1 equal to ab raised to n plus b a raised to n. Again, what I am going to do is I am going to take b a raised to n to the left side and taking b raised to n plus 1 to the right side.